Hello. Um, so this is number three of this from this particular chair. The video I'm doing is number three, and this is the chair that I started yesterday, and so now we got to the stage where I put the springs in. So I wanted to show you this video because this is it's got a sprung seat which is tied in, as you can see, and it's got a hard edge along the front there, which basically means that the seat springs sort of absorb all the weight in the centre, and it's not what you call 100% traditional. It's not got a sewn edge or anything like that. This rail down here I had to repair. I know it doesn't look very special, but it's been repaired, and the chair was starting to fall to pieces. Actually, that's not the right word to use. The chair was a little bit of movement on the arms, so I just tightened it all up and strengthened the rail. There's a rail behind the back of it, which I've put in to strengthen that, as you can see there. And so it's all solid now. So it's a solid chair. So the next stage is we're going to go all modern, and we're going to put hessian on there, sew the hessian in, and then we're going to put a quite a big lump of foam, actually, which again isn't a modern, which is again a modern way of doing it. But I always say that if the old fellas back in the day had foam around, they would have used it. The reason I'm doing it is because I could build it up with layers and layers of hair, but foam is obviously a bit more comfortable, actually. And for this particular customer, she wants a high seat, which I mentioned in the first video, and so only way of doing it, in my mind, is to build it up with foam. And I guess you traditionalists out there would be saying that is sacrilege, but actually for the customer it's the right thing. So there we are. As a little tip for you: if you like, listen to the customer and do what they want. Okay, over and out. Bye now.